Lolo. What's that? What is that? What is that? Oh. Hi, beach.
Want to swimming
Now? Oo, atin si Kyle. Bukas pa yata. Swimming ka? Pa, ang init pa eh.
Lublay ka nini. May nuglublay yan siya dengan eh.
Want to swimming tatay? Want to swimming si tatay?
Yes po. Ano na? 12? What? Kasi bagong bagyo pa ay bagong ano.
Magbangka ka na ba?
Parang gusto mo nang tapusin ang buhay ni Papa Glenn.
Want to swimming?